హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరూ ఉన్నారు బాగానే ఉంటారు. ఈరోజు నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఇదేదో హైడ్ అండ్ సీక్ ఆడమంటున్నాడు. ఇదిగోండి మా ఫ్రెండ్ బై డ్రీమ్ అంట. ఎక్కడికి రా, మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఎత్తుకొని పోతున్నారా? అండి ఏం చేస్తారు చూద్దాం. సారీ గైస్. హర్ష ఐసీక్ ఓకే. ఏం చేస్తున్నా చూద్దాం. 3 minutes ఉందంట. ఫాస్ట్గా ఇంటూ టెలిపోర్ట్ చేయడం బెటర్ గైస్. బోట్లో దొంగదాం. బోట్లో ఈడు అన్న ఎవరన్నా నువ్వా? హాయ్ చెప్తాం అన్నకి. హాయ్ బ్రో. మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ ఫర్ ఇషాన్ అయితే నాకు అసలు అర్థం కాలేదు అన్న పేరు. పోయి బోర్డులో దానుకొని చూద్దాం అంతే. దీనిగానే ఎక్కలా పోతున్నాను ఏంటి అసలు నేను.
Julie suddenly freezes. Amanda Jones, the ex-boyfriend she's been missing for 4 years. Unlike the young David from their school days, he has now become mature and cold. Julie musters up the courage to walk toward David, but the man doesn't notice her at all. The two of them just pass each other by. Julie misses David too much and can't help looking back. She sees a blonde girl throwing herself into David's arms, meeting David for 4 years. David has a new girlfriend. Julie is completely
చూసేస్తాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ వీడియో చూసిన లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసేసుకోండి. హైడ్ అండ్ సీక్ ఆడుతున్నాను నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్. అసలు ఇది ఉంటుంది. కార్ వేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా ఎక్కేస్తాడు కాబట్టి బైక్ అంటే బైక్లో కానీ ఎక్కించలే. అర్రేనే స్ట్రైట్ పోరా, ఊరంతా తిప్పేస్తున్నాం
Julie's sudden coldness is hard for David to accept. He makes a scene in the cafeteria, caring about his image. David opens the love bell.
Are you ready, Harsha?
This time only his rings. David is
Yes, bro, I'm ready.
Julie to like him again.
I'm ready for.
George on the side can't stand watching anymore and pulls David away. But David still doesn't give up. He tries every possible way to make Julie change her mind. He waits for Julie at the intersection every day, from summer all the way to winter. But Julie never shows any reaction. David leaves in anger. He returns to the country. David still can't forget Julie.
Waste.
There's only disappointment. Julie suddenly.
వేసుకొని పోవడం బెటర్. ఎందుకంటే వచ్చేసి అది కూడా అక్కడున్నాడు. అక్కడ ఫాస్ట్ పారాపా. ప్లే గేర్లు ఎత్తుకు వచ్చిండ్రు లేదా? భయం వస్తుంది. ఏం చెప్పాలి? చాట్ ఆడికి వెళ్ళేది ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడో తేడా పట్టింది సీనా. ఊయమ్మ ఆడున్నాడు. దాంకో ఆ బైకులు వేసుకొని వస్తున్నాడు. వచ్చేసాడు. చూరా మామా ఉన్నాడు గైస్. అసలు నేను పాయింట్ చేసిన దగ్గర ఉన్నాడు. Why you
Beta, are you free for 2 minutes? I guess. Can you just wash the strawberry? Come on, just one help, Beta, please. Then I'll make your shake, okay?
Yes.
Fine.
అసలు మా ఫ్రెండ్ రియల్ పేరు కుషులు, కానీ నా వాడు గేమ్లో ఇటు పెట్టుకున్నాను హరుటు 9706. చూసేసాడు కరెక్ట్గా ఆడున్నాడు. ఇక్కడికి రావాలా నా పని అయిపోద్ది అంతే, ఖతం హోగియా. తట్టిస్తా ఏదో చాట్లో చెప్పారు. అసలు ఆస్కింగ్ మై ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, అరే నా సీక్రెట్ ప్లేస్ నో. సీక్రెట్ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నానంట. కలిగుడ్ర కుశలిక నేను ముందర ఇక్కడ ఉన్నానంతే. ఇప్పుడే జస్ట్ అట్టెల్లుడు ఆపుదాం అనుకోండి. చూద్దాం సపరేట్ నుంచి చాట్లు ఏం చెప్తాను ఎంతో చూద్దాం. విత్
Top 3 most common eye colors in the world. Right before my mom picked me up from school, I hopped in the back of your car. She was crying. What? Why?
ఫ్రెండ్స్, మా మమ్మీ చూడండి నా డ్రెస్ని ఎలా మార్చేస్తుందో.
చూసేసాడు.
మాత్రం పక్కన నిలబడి నవ్వేస్తుంది. అయ్యో వద్దు వద్దు, ఇప్పుడే బాగుంది అని చెప్తున్నారు. కానీ మా మమ్మీ మాత్రం ఆగడం లేదు. నా అమ్మాయి ఈరోజు కాలేజీలో అందరిలో హైలైట్ అవ్వాలి అని ఇంకా ఇంకా కొత్త డిజైన్లు చేస్తూనే ఉంది. అందుకే మమ్మీ ఇలా ప్రేమతో నా డ్రెస్ని స్పెషల్గా మార్చుకుంది.
ఒకసారి చాట్లు ఏం పడతాడంటే వీళ్ళు రోజు అబ్లింక్ ఇది ఏదో పడుతున్నారు.
కదా ఫైనల్గా డ్రెస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో చూసి బజరంగబలి హనుమాన్ అంటే కొట్టి ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి జై శ్రీరామ్ అని కామెంట్ చేయండి. మా అమ్మ రెడీ చేసినట్టు.
Take a thick paper and cut it into 3 moon shapes. Now wrap them in red colored thread or yarn. Next, cut out a circle and color it black. Stick the moon shapes onto the circle and then attach it to a normal hair clip. And there you go. This is born in 2000.
What year were you born? 1970.
He's a baby born.
గివ్ అప్ అంటున్నాడంట. ఒకసారి మనం చూసేసి వద్దాం. హలో, మీరు చూసారు క్వశ్చన్ నా అబ్బాయిని? లేదు బాబు, నేను ఎక్కడ చూడలేదా. అన్నకి తెలియదంట. ఒక్కడున్నాడు అన్నా. లే అన్నా 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 అన్నా.
You may not think this, but Laura from Cat's Eye can casually hit high notes like it's nothing.
ఇదిగోని లాల్.
Billie Eilish usually sings soft, but she randomly took a TikTok video and hit her best note ever on camera.
ఎక్కడికి రా ఆగ్రా. Yes. Okay.
had always kept her hair short and dressed in a masculine style, and everyone treated her like a tomboy. No one expected that one day, a pregnant underclassman would burst into the school and say, "You can't just ignore me in the baby," instantly plunging the entire place into silence. The woman was stunned on the spot. Seeing that she refused to
Chupra.
admit anything, the girl immediately fabricated a story
Charges.
about how the woman had coaxed her into getting a hotel room. This instantly triggered collective moral condemnation from surrounding students, and it was only at that moment that the woman finally remembered who the girl was. A couple of days earlier, the girl had fainted from menstrual pain, and the woman had finally taken her to the hospital. It must have been then that she was targeted and set up to take her fall. So today, the girl had deliberately rushed into the school, trying to use public pressure to force the woman to submit and accept responsibility for a child of unknown paternity. The faculty advisor even jumped to a conclusion, saying, "This kind of irresponsible behavior is nothing like that of a man." The woman replied that there was nothing about her that resembled a man at all. The girl then said that the woman was the closest person she had in the world, and if she refused to acknowledge the baby in her womb, she wouldn't be able to go on living. She then escalated things further, portraying the woman as a scumbag who would sleep with someone and then deny everything afterward. The crowd's emotions were reignited. They stormed into the office, pointing fingers and criticizing the woman. As the incident spread, there were also many voices in society condemning her. Seeing that public opinion was spiraling out of control, the woman finally realized how cunning the girl's tactics were. If she had actually been a man, she would have had no way to defend herself. Since the girl wanted to play this game, the woman decided to go all the way with her. Before revealing her true gender, she demanded that the girl produce evidence proving that the child was related to her. The girl said, "Have you forgotten what happened that night at the hotel?" The woman asked Rachel Chapman what the room number was, but the girl hesitated and couldn't answer. The woman began to fight back. If a claim like this could be made with nothing but words, then any man present could be the child's father. At that point, the now conversation began to feel as what she said made sense. Unexpectedly, the girl remained unfazed and quietly pulled out evidence from her phone. It included records of the two of them going to the movies together, having meals, and even booking hotel rooms. And all of it was real. It turned out that after the woman had helped her, the girl frequently invited her out under the pretense of repaying her kindness. Little did the woman know that every receipt had been both evidence and a trap. The girl said the evidence was irrefutable and urged the woman to admit it. The woman replied that it was absurd to treat her like a scapegoat based on a few questionable receipts. A girl nearby complained that the woman was disgusting. She had asked for evidence, and now that it had been provided, she refused to acknowledge it. Public opinion once again shifted in favor. The woman had always kept her hair short and dressed in a...
This guy had a crazy idea. His favorite grapes cost $10, but he forgot his wallet and only had $1. So he tried to take just one piece and brought it to the counter. The receipt guy was so confused because there was no such thing as a single grape in the store. But he managed to get a tiny receipt from it, yet he still couldn't believe it. Next he went to the cashier, and the young girl was completely confused at first. She also thought there was no such thing as one piece of
నేను
grape.
ఒకసారి లైవ్ చేసినప్పుడైనా మా ఫ్రెండ్తో ఒకసారి ఆడుతాను మీ లైవ్లో చెప్పండి అక్కడ ఉన్నాడు
Instead of his $1 bill, the girl thought she had enough, but after paying for just one grape,
నా వెనకాల ఎవడో ఫాలో అవుతున్నాడు ఇంత నుంచి
Iconic idol mistakes that looked intentional. Subin's backtrack glitch during TXT's debut, exposing his live vocals. He looked visibly panicked, likely feeling the pressure of having issues on their debut stage. Red Velvet song accidentally sped up too fast, but they decided to dance anyways. Even with the technical issue, they kept performing, which really showed their professionalism and impressed many fans. K1 accident.
అసలు అక్కడ ఉన్నాడు గైస్
It was raining and the road was slippery, and a man's wheelchair got stuck on the steps and he couldn't get up. A girl suddenly appeared and helped him warmly. The girl took him to her flower shop and told him he could stay until the rain stopped. Just then, the girl's alarm clock suddenly went off. The man realized her alarm ringtone was actually his own voice. It turned out the man was a voice actor, and he never expected the girl to be his fan. He wanted to reveal his identity, but he suddenly heard the girl's fantasies about him. She thought her idol must be someone incredibly brilliant in real life. The man looked down at his disabled legs. To avoid disappointing the girl, he chose to hide who he was. While chatting, the girl was surprised to find the man lived in a building right across from hers. So after the rain stopped, the girl personally wheeled him home. The man was grateful that the girl didn't think he was a burden because of his disability. The girl noticed his inferiority complex and encouraged him with words her idol had once told his fans. Hearing those familiar words, the man felt the girl was like a ray of light in his world. Only after the girl left did he whisper a thank you. But as soon as the girl got home, she suddenly remembered she'd left her phone on the man's wheelchair. At the same time, the man heard a phone ringing. Only then did he discover the girl's phone was in the pocket of his wheelchair. The girl
కుశల్
Claiming she was delivering Christmas gifts,
అరే
she
బాయ్
finally found the man when she reached the 13th floor. Coincidentally, his younger brother was her college classmate. The man handed her the phone and was about to say her mother had misunderstood their relationship, but the girl suddenly got a call from a customer. She quickly said goodbye to the man and turned to leave. His younger brother noticed he liked the girl, so that afternoon, the brother deliberately ordered a bouquet of flowers from the girl. The brother lied and said the man had a fever, asking her to help take care
Kushal,
of him.
where
The
are
girl
you?
agreed. She went into the man's room and was
Wait
surprised
a
to see he had
minute.
many limited edition merchandise items.
Hold
of
on
her
a
own.
second.
Afraid of revealing
Wait a
his
minute.
identity, the
Semi
man quickly
white.
lied and said he was also a fan.
It
Just then,
is
the girl's
ఇక్కడ
mother
ఉంటాడు
called and asked why she
అనుకుంటా.
hadn't told her about having a boyfriend. But the girl had no idea what she was talking about. The man took the phone from her hand and helped her deal with her mother's questions. After hanging up, the girl suddenly leaned close to him and said, "Can you pretend to be my boyfriend?" It was raining and the road was slippery.
Oh.
This girl ate a lot of fruit, but not a single pit was seen. The boy reached over in confusion, but what the girl did next shocked him. She spit out a huge pile of fruit pits, filling his entire palm. It turned out the girl loved stuffing her mouth
I
full,
give up
just
on
like a
the
cute little
person.
hamster. The boy noticed the red dates were gone. When the girl turned around, her cheeks were so puffed up they looked ready to burst. The boy asked her to spit out red dates, but what she did next shocked him even more. She spit out so many red dates that his hand couldn't even hold them all. The boy
Dude, the
turned
bike
around
ఉంది
and spit so many red dates. So the boy decided to guess just how much her mouth could hold. He got
నేను
her
ఓడు
one
కనిపించా
When he saw the pot was empty, he knew the food was hidden in the pot. He told her to spit the food onto a plate to show his surprise. The food she spit out filled the entire plate. On the way home, the boy brought more food. He turned around for a second, and the food was gone. The boy realized she had hidden the food in her mouth again. To get her to break this bad habit, the boy seriously told her to spit it all out. But she had hidden even more this time. And took
Sorry
over
for
to finish spitting it out. The boy sighed helplessly and took the food.
money on and who she was with. She even forced her to turn on her clothes, friends, food, and daily routine all had to follow her mother's arrangements. She first learned the past decided to take the initiative to change. She invited her roommates to have late-night snacks together, hoping to get closer to them. She carefully noted everyone's preferences and ordered $100 of barbecue. Her roommates warned her to be careful with spending, but she insisted on treating them. Right after paying, her mother called, questioning why she spent money late at night, even suspecting she was with a boy, and forced her to turn on video again. Even after confirming it, she still made her write a
ఆయన ఏం మాట్లాడట్లేదు కదా సో ఈ వీడియో చూసిన వాళ్ళు లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అయినా చేసుకోండి. వీడియో బాగుందంటే కింద కమెంట్లో బ్రో బాగుందా లేకపోతే లేదా అని కమెంట్ చేయండి. అంతే. బాయ్ 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 బాయ్. మళ్ళీ స్కూల్లో చెప్తారు.